Title: Frangipane Mince Pies, the cozy holiday shortcut. If you love mince pies but hate fiddly pastry lids, this is your new party trick. Buttery pastry, juicy mincemeat, and a golden almondy frangipane top that bakes into a soft sponge. Let's make a tray, fast. Yields about 12-18 depending on your tin. Pastry first. You can use store-bought sweet short crust, no shame. If making your own, 200g plain flour, 50g ground almonds, optional. For extra nuttiness, 50g icing sugar, 125g cold butter, cubed. Rub to breadcrumbs. Add 1 egg yolk. A splash of cold water only if it needs help coming together. Bring to a disc, wrap. Chill 30 minutes. Done. Frangipane. 85g softened butter, 85g caster sugar. Beat till pale and fluffy. 2 lightly beaten eggs go in. Don't panic if it curdles. Fold in 100g ground almonds, 15g plain flour, a few drops almond extract. That's your cloud soft topping. Heat the oven to 200 degrees, 180 degrees C fan. Lightly grease a 12-hole bun or muffin tin. Roll the pastry to about 3 mm, cut rounds around 7.5 to 8 cm. Press into the tin. Spoon in mincemeat, about a heaped teaspoon per case. Use a good jar, roughly 400 grams does a batch. Pro tip: stir in a tablespoon brandy tablespoon, rum tablespoon Grand Marnier, and a little orange zest for a festive boost. Now crown them. A generously heaped teaspoon of frangipane on each, spread to the edges so it seals the mincemeat underneath. Scatter flaked almonds. Bake 15-20 minutes until the tops are golden and just set, and the pastry is crisp. Let them rest in the tin 5-10 minutes. Steam finishes the bake and they won't collapse on you. Transfer to a rack to cool. Finish with a snowfall of icing sugar. Serve warm with cream custard brandy butter if you're feeling extra. Quick recap. Pastry, rub yolk chill. Frangipane, cream eggs almonds flour. Fill crown almonds bake. That's it. No fussy lids, just tender pastry and a spongy almond top that makes everyone think you've been at it all day. Make ahead, bake, cool, and freeze in a single layer. Reheat at 160 degrees C until warm. Leftovers keep airtight for 3 to 4 days. They won't last. Holiday tip: add a tiny pinch of salt to the frangipane to wake up the almonds. Don't overspread. Frangipane rises. When they come out golden and proud, dust, plate, and let the compliments roll in. If this helped, hit subscribe for more cozy bakes you can actually pull off. Full recipe in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy baking, and save one for breakfast tomorrow.